Hello, wonderful being. Thank you for tuning in today. Today's session is designed to attract our twin flame, our soulmate twin flame, our partner, our twin flame partner that is going to be with us on this planet, in this time, with us in this reality, in one of our realities, in all of our realities. Give yourself a moment to focus, to breathe deeply. And as you're breathing deeply, I would like you to allow yourself to focus on my hands. Focus on my eyes and allow yourself to breathe deeply. Allow yourself to receive this energy and breathe deeply. Thank you. Allow yourself to receive this energy and see what's going to happen.